Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to talk about area. So these are the area formulas that you should know for the different shapes, okay? Now, for a parallelogram, it's just base times height, right? So it's the base, length of the base, times the height. Again, you have to be given the height in order to calculate this, but the parallelogram is base times height. So is a rectangle. Rectangle is just length times width. Length times width to get area. Square, it's length times width, again, or base times height, but again, all the sides are the same, so it just becomes s squared, okay? Rhombus. Rhombus, again, is just base times height, okay? Where in this case, hold on, let me make sure I wrote that down right. The way they want it. Okay, so hold on. Okay, they have this in base. Okay. This should be, oops. Okay, so base times height. So see a theme? That's basically base times height throughout the whole thing. And then we get the trapezoid, it changes. Now with the trapezoid, it's 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. Or another way of looking at it, it's the average of the bases, the average length of the bases times the height. Because you could take the sum of the bases divided by 2, and that's the average of the bases, the length of the bases. So that's another way of looking at the area of a trapezoid. It's the average of the bases times the height. Triangle. Triangle is 1/2 times base times height. Okay? Or if you don't know the height, but you know all three sides, you can use Huron's formula. And Huron's formula for finding the area of any triangle, as long as you know all three sides, is you take the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where s is half of the perimeter. Okay? And so again, you could use Huron's formula. So make sure you know that one. Okay? But these are the formulas you need to know for calculating the area of these corresponding polygons. Okay. See you next time.